It's been a few months now and everything was good. Mulch has not moved and the tulips are growing.
In my life.
I'm going to put some deer repellent. Yeah.
Okay. No watching. No watching. Okay. No watching.
All right. So I'm gonna put those guys. This is the deer repellent. I'm gonna spread this everywhere. It's supposed to, when they approach, they're supposed to like to smell and go away. But besides that, I'm also gonna spray when the tulips will get a little bit bigger. I will spread it everywhere. They have some sort of spray. All right.
It's illegal.
Yes. Do it like this. Alrighty. So I put those deer repellent. It says it's also good against rabbits. Put one here, one here. So one entrance over here, there. I put a total of 6. Hopefully it's enough.
And me too.
And then I will be spreading when those tulips will get a little bit bigger. Put one over there as well. So I'm not sure if it works, but they say it works. So this is a quick update, and I will do another update in another week from now, probably. Here we are, 2 weeks later. So I think I got some deer that ate some of them a little bit. But I've been putting this thing on. I've been spreading this product and actually it's been working very well. I'm gonna keep doing this today.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
This thing says 100 money back guarantee. I have to say that thing works pretty good. This works not much, but I think this is more. This will do a better job. And I'm spreading everywhere. Alright, so this is 2 weeks later, and I think in another 2 weeks we can see better, more flowers. Bentley, let nobody get in here, okay? Oh boy. Alrighty, another update. We had some good sun today. We had a storm, but they're all popping out now. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful! A few died. There's some empty spot over there. They didn't grow. And maybe they got eaten up. So next year I'll try to plant a few more. Alright, see you next.
The love we share, this is what we're waiting for. This is where we all come. This is where we all came from. The dreams we have, the love we share. This is what we're waiting for.